Hello, my name is Jessica Chambers and I'm the director of the ISU Horticulture Center. Welcome to the gardens. Okay, so the ISU Horticulture Center is an outdoor laboratory for people of all ages, for the ISU community and the community at large, or Bloomington, Normal, Central Illinois. What we're trying to do out here is connect people to nature, and that means like a whole bunch of different things. You know, for some people that could mean growing plants you want to cook with and eat. For some people it could be growing Christmas trees, or it could be connecting with the outdoors with the prairie. So it really means so many different things. Because we're tied to, of course, part of the university, for us, spring and fall is our busy time. So we have the students out here helping in many different ways and different classes out here helping. During the summer, it's a little calmer. That's when the community, a lot of our communities are volunteers. I like to say the soul of the center. That's when they come and they help make sure that all these about 20 gardens look really, really nice for all the students when they come back in the fall. And then fall is really busy time. That's when we have our festival. That's our main fundraiser, the Autumnal Festival. And that's really, we work all spring and summer for that festival. So the plant process every year is a little different, and it always ties back to what the theme is. So for example, because we're dealing more with indigenous plants, we're growing more native plants in the greenhouse this year. But we grow a bunch of different plants. We grow some for our plant sale. So we grow that for the plant sale, and what's left comes into the gardens. And then we have this group of plants that we're growing for the theme, which are more of these native plants that we have. So every year it kind of depends on you know, what that theme is and what the purpose is for the year. And then we work hard in the gardens all summer, really towards the Autumnal Festival, which is on September 9th and 10th. And that is really when we showcase the gardens, we showcase the new additions, the theme. We have special artists that are coming. So we have so many things planned for that weekend. So like September 9th and 10th, like write it down on your calendar because it's going to be 2 great days.